Hi everybody, today I'm here at the park, as you can tell from my background, and I'm gonna share with you some vocabulary. Let's walk around and see what we can learn from this place. Let's start talking about the weather. Today is very sunny, a little bit cloudy, but it's a beautiful day. It's winter here, so most of the trees are bare, naked. Look at this one, there isn't a single leaf on it. Usually during the winter, the trees lose their leaves so they can save energy and survive. So that's why there are a lot of leaves on the ground. A lot of leaves everywhere. We can find some huge trees like this one, along with some small ones, just like this one. There are also different kinds of plants. And there's even some bamboo here. Did you know that bamboo is not a tree, but it's a plant? Well, now you do. Usually parks are covered in grass. And I even found this anthill with some ants just busy working. There are a few benches along the way, and this is a path. There are actually a fork in this path, with one path going to the left and another one going to the right. I also found several tree logs stacked on the ground, and look at this. There are even some mushrooms growing on them. Actually, a lot of mushrooms. You know, even though the weather is very dry because it's winter here, but we can still see a few flowers here and there. At the back of this park, there is this sandy playground where children come to play. And finally, there is this wooden bridge with this wooden handrail that leads to a small waterfall at the back. So we have weather, clima, sunny, ensolarado, cloudy, nublado, winter or winter, inverno, tree, árvore, bare tree, uma árvore sem folhas, leaf, folha, ground, o chão, geralmente em áreas externas. Em áreas internas a gente chamaria de floor. Plant, planta, grass, grama, anthill, o formigueiro, ants, as formigas, benches, bancos, path, caminho, fork, bifurcação, ou também como substantivo pode ser garfo, tree logs, troncos de árvores, stacked, é o verbo empilhar no passado, mushrooms, cogumelos, flowers, flores, sandy playground, um parquinho de areia, wooden bridge, ponte de madeira, handrail, o corrimão, and waterfall, cachoeira. Alright, so that's about it, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.